Hi everyone, welcome back to info.pharma, where we explore everything you need to know about pharmacy. Today, we're diving into the nature and sources of drugs. Understanding where drugs come from and their characteristics is fundamental in the world of pharmacy. Let's start with the nature of drugs. Drugs are substances used to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent diseases. They can alter physiological functions and are classified based on their origin, chemical structure, and therapeutic use. Natural drugs, derived from natural sources like plants, animals, and minerals. Synthetic drugs, chemically manufactured in laboratories. Semi-synthetic drugs, modified natural substances to enhance efficacy or reduce side effects. Biologics, derived from living organisms, including vaccines, blood products, and recombinant proteins. Now, let's explore the sources of drugs. Drugs can come from a variety of sources, each playing a crucial role in the development of new therapies. Natural sources. The first category is natural sources, which include plants, animals, and minerals. Plant sources. Examples: morphine from opium poppies, quinine from cinchona bark, digitalis from foxglove. Advantages: rich source of bioactive compounds. Disadvantages: variability in potency and availability. Animal sources. Examples: insulin from the pancreas of pigs or cows, historically, heparin from pig intestines. Advantages: similar to human proteins, effective in treating deficiencies. Disadvantages: ethical concerns, potential for allergic reactions. Fun fact: did you know that insulin used to be extracted from animals? Mineral sources. Examples: iron supplements, magnesium sulfate, lithium for bipolar disorder. Advantages: essential for various bodily functions. Disadvantages: overdose can lead to toxicity. What mineral supplements do you take? Let us know in the comments below. These drugs are created entirely in the lab through chemical synthesis. Synthetic sources. Examples: aspirin, barbiturates, antihistamines. Advantages: controlled production, consistent quality, and potency. Disadvantages: can be costly to develop, potential for side effects. Semi-synthetic sources. Semi-synthetic drugs are chemically modified natural substances. Examples: amoxicillin, modified penicillin, heroin, modified morphine. Advantages: improved efficacy and reduced side effects compared to natural counterparts. Disadvantages: requires complex production processes. What do you think are the benefits of semi-synthetic drugs? Share your thoughts in the comments. Biological sources. Finally, biologics are derived from living organisms, including humans, animals, and microorganisms. Biological sources. Examples: vaccines, monoclonal antibodies, insulin, recombinant DNA technology. Advantages: highly specific action, effective in complex diseases. Disadvantages: expensive to produce, storage challenges, potential for immune reactions. We hope this overview of the nature and sources of drugs has been informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to info.pharma, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content.